News when you want it with Bloomberg News Now. I'm Amy Morris. And there's your closing bell for this Tuesday on Wall Street, where a rally in the world's largest tech companies sent stocks to all-time highs amid speculation that artificial intelligence will just keep driving earnings for the group that has powered the bull market. And we bring you the closing numbers each day here at Bloomberg. The S&P 500 gained 16 points. NASDAQ gained 190. The Dow gained 162 points. Once again, all-time records across the board. The 10-year Treasury yield at 3.97%, the 2-year yield at 3.48%. Nvidia is set to invest $1 billion in new Nokia shares. Nokia says the investment comes with a strategic partnership to support evolution of data center networking. Nvidia shares gained 5% in regular trading. Nokia shares jumped 21% in the regular session. Microsoft will get a 27% ownership stake in OpenAI, worth about $135 billion, with access to OpenAI's technology until 2032. Shares of Microsoft gained 2% in regular trading. Shares of PayPal surged after it announced a partnership with OpenAI and boosted its adjusted earnings per share guidance for the full year. With that guidance beating expectations, PayPal gained 4% in regular trading. Tesla's board chair Robin Denholm says it's too early to know whether a campaign to win shareholder support for CEO Elon Musk's potentially trillion-dollar pay package will be successful. It's just a few weeks away from a pivotal vote by investors.
It is a performance package, so he gets nothing if he doesn't perform against the pretty audacious milestones that are part of the performance criteria.
Tesla board chair Robin Denholm tells Bloomberg Technology the Tesla Cybercab might also see some fundamental design changes like a steering wheel and pedals. Tesla gained about 2% in the regular session. Sources tell Bloomberg Polymarket is preparing to return to the U.S. with a focus on sports betting. Initial trading would reportedly be likely by the end of November, but won't be broadly available for everyone. Now, that would be a stunning turnaround after that company was kicked offshore and paid a $1.4 million penalty back in 2022 to settle allegations of illegal trading. Hurricane Melissa has hit southwestern Jamaica as a catastrophic Category 5 storm, causing heavy flooding and wind damage. Melissa made landfall with maximum sustained winds of 185 miles per hour. Officials warned of devastating damage and urged residents to seek shelter as the hurricane crosses the island. The storm is expected to move toward Cuba, where authorities are prepared for evacuations. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu told the military to immediately carry out powerful attacks in Gaza, throwing into doubt a U.S.-brokered ceasefire that's held for just about 2 weeks. The order came after security consultations, the Prime Minister's office says in a post on X. He did not provide any further detail. The decision to send the military back into action in Gaza jeopardizes a truce between Israel and Hamas that was announced by President Trump in mid-October. A federal judge in San Francisco has indefinitely blocked the Trump administration from firing federal workers during the shutdown, granting a preliminary injunction that bars the firings while a lawsuit challenging them plays out. That's news when you want it with Bloomberg News Now. I'm Amy Morris. This is Bloomberg.